What's up, y'all? I'm back on working on this truck right here. It's a 6.0. It's a GMC. I went ahead and removed the engine mounts. They went down here on these 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pulled the mounts off. I seem to be having a clearance issue and dropping the engine in. I'm making this video for anyone that decides to go ahead and do a 6.0 engine swap. You know, don't put the engine mounts on first. Again, 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where the mount went. The mount is right there on the floor. There's the truck. Wire harness. You can see like there's nothing in the way. There's the transmission in the back. There's nothing in the way. See the transmission in the rear. Alright, so my biggest issue, what I noticed was somebody told me the flywheel could be on backwards. And so I went ahead and pulled the engine pretty much out because I was confused. And I noticed that it's not on backwards. So I know it was the motor mount stopping me. But better safe than sorry. It's unfortunate I had to wait this long to get Nicole to do it. But yeah, everything seems to be working out perfect. Everything's nice and flat. Everything looks good. But yeah, I just wanted to show that the engine, the hoist, the heaters, all the new tools over there on the desk. I'm going to go ahead and drop this motor back in, get it lined up with the transmission, and it should be done tomorrow. This is an update for the client as well as for anyone interested in the updates in this vehicle. Yep, all the proper equipment so you don't scratch the fender while we have the hoist right next to it, you know what I mean? Like super close. I put my own bracket on here and mounted it, and I just used the mounting hole in the back. Got the chain on, custom hoist, see the weld. But yeah, getting it done. It's Michael, Matt Mice Customs.